Alright, so here in front of me, I have got a MacBook Pro. I got a fucking notification from Snapchat. Wait. This is for video editing, so, you know, I have my PC, but for editing, I really wanted a MacBook, more comfy, supports CapCut, because macOS supports it, Windows supports it, not Linux, and my main OS is Linux on my PC, so, just gonna unbox it. Now, yeah, this plastic was already taken off. It's just because I was checking condition before recording this. So, open it up. Oh shit, that is gonna show my face. Okay, fuck. Alright, back recording. You can see there's my face. This is my official face reveal video. Okay, it's good, it's on. We got it turned on. Oh shit, yo, I just noticed on like my hand, that's not good. Right, taking a bit long. Anyways, let's take that out of there and see what the guy gave us. So yeah, this is like eBay secondhand plug, and then thing for plug to make it charger. Okay. Yeah, okay, what is that? Yeah, that doesn't really seem good. Alright, the toy. Fuck it. Alright, so after eating my McDonald's, I am attempting to get into recovery mode, so I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Alright, internet recovery. Alright, we're in OS X utilities, but what I'm gonna do is go get charger, and I will not be using this like brick right here, because on the cable you can see there's electrical tape, and from my like previous MacBook I had, there is a charger without that. I'll still use the plug though. Alright, so I've got macOS Big Sur on here. This is like day after the last few recordings. Currently just downloading something for it to connect to my phone and stuff. And like, that's it pretty much. Nothing else to do on here really. I said I was going to do Open Core Legacy Patcher, but I decided not to. Even if it's the latest macOS, I don't care, I'm not going to use it. Big Sur should be good enough. I think it will be.